Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Versatile Mother. Today's subtopic is completely about no excuses for studies in the main topic of how to handle kids at home. So, without late, let's get started. I always follow two basic rules to make my kids stick onto their study table for a longer period of time. Rule number one is I never behave as a boss or a strict class teachers surrounded around them. Most of the parents will be very friendly to our kids, but when it comes to the studies, ultimately our behavior towards them changes. I never want a child who learns the information because he is afraid of me. I always want a child who always learns the information because he always loves me. If he loves the person who teaches him, ultimately he loves the information given in the book also. So what I want to say is, don't ever behave as a boss. Always deduct yourself into a 4 or 5 year old child and make the information so curious, so interesting for them, and ultimately you can see a drastic behavior in your kids when it comes to studies, and he never asks you for any kind of excuses in between the studies. Let us see what happens if I go to my child and behave as a strict class teacher. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. This is what actually happened. He is yelling like anything. He don't want a mom to be as a strict class teacher. So okay, let us see if I behave as a 4 or 5 year old kid and teach them. What is this animal?
Cow.
So shall I sing a song?
Yeah.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Had a cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo moo here, moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. What is that animal?
Cow.
What is this animal?
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-Donald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. In both of the scenes, the person is the same. But have you observed the difference in their energy levels? All this is because a simple change in my body language. So, if you are teaching kids in your home, please don't ever behave as a boss surrounded around them. Be as a friend for them, and you will definitely see a change in them. The second rule I always do is I keep on changing their seating arrangement with a beautiful and colorful atmosphere in a 1 hour period of study time. And also I keep on giving them activities for a 5 minutes or a 10 minutes and again bring back to the study zone. Why I do so? Because kids, they very fastly deviate from the study zone. In order to bring back my kid again into the study period, I always keep on changing their seating arrangement and also give them good activities. Parents, it is up to you. It is up to your personal choice and your budget levels. You can decide that how can you change your atmosphere so beautiful and colorful, and also the activities that you can give. So here I am going to show you how I actually make my kids to do some activities, or I actually keep on their changing their surroundings according to my budget levels. What are you doing, Tammu? Kashan, what are you drawing? This is how I was able to manage my kids to stick on to their study table in a given period of time without any excuses, just by using two basic rules. One is becoming a friendly teacher, and other one is keep on changing their seating arrangement, and also making the atmosphere so beautiful and colorful, and giving them their desired activities to do in between their study time. So parents, here where I am ending my video. Stick on to my channel, you will get the part 4 on how to avoid the screen time for your kids. So thank you.